Hey everyone, in today's app of the day video, I want to show you this app called Houseparty, and it's a group video chat app. And it's like a lot of other video chat apps if you've ever video chatted with someone, where you could video chat with 2 or more people inside of a room. But what I really like about the app and what's unique about the app is the ability to play games with someone right live on the video chat. So you could play trivia, for example. They have many games that I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm going to do a quick overview of how to install Houseparty, how to get started with it, everything the app has to show. And at the end of the video, I'll give it my rating from 1 to 5. Let's jump into the phone. To get Houseparty, search for, again, Houseparty, one word. It's available for iOS, Android, and on Mac and PC. Press open. I'm going to show you the mobile app. And you should see this page right here. And go ahead and press sign up if you don't have an account yet. And it's pretty straightforward here. You could also connect Snapchat to it here, and it will pull your profile picture from there. Just go ahead and type in your username and your password here and your birthday. And you do have to be 12 plus. This is considered a social networking app, so it does have an age restriction. And then once you get past the sign up page, you could connect Facebook or your contacts. You could give it access, so it's a little bit easier to add friends that you already know. And it's going to ask you to send you notifications if you want. You could allow that. It has to get access to your camera and your microphone. Again, it's a video chat app, so I'm going to say okay to that. And I'm going to say okay to that. So here's the home page of the Houseparty app, and you'll see yourself before you invite any friends. So let me show you all the different options here. You can press the 3 dots on the bottom of the page and share your screen once you invite someone. You could record a face mail. That's just a quick video message that you could send someone. And you could go ahead and disable your camera. You could go ahead and flip your camera. So if you press flip the camera, it's going to flip the camera and show you what you're looking at. So I'll flip it back. And again, let me disable the camera. You could lock the room so no one else could join you in this room. That's that option. And you could go ahead and mute yourself, and then now you're muted. Those are all the options on the bottom. Now, what's more important is inviting people. So on the left, you have the smiley face. That's a place where you could see all your friends and invite people here too. So you could go ahead and add friends, and you have all these different options for adding friends. Like you could add them by name, by searching them in the app. You could add them by contact if you gave the app access to your contact. You could add it from Facebook if you gave it access to Facebook, from nearby, and from Snapchat if you gave it access to Snapchat. Or you copy the link and paste that link on a text message, for example, and invite people that way. It may also show you people you may know by recognizing people that have this app that are in your contact. I'll press X. Another way to add people is by pressing the plus sign. And here you could add new friends and invite new friends here. And then you could see people in your contact and your existing friends here too. So in order to add someone, I'll jump over here. I'll go ahead and press add friends and add someone by name. And as you can see, it's going to search for all the people here, and you just press add next to their name if they're part of the app. If they're not, add them via any of these other options. I'll show you what the dice does in a second. You could also always swipe up on this home page, and you'll see all your friends here that have joined and are part of the app. If they're here right now, you'll see a little join icon next to their name. You could press that and start a chat with them, or you could go ahead and wave at them. That's one of the options if they're showing up here. Or you could go ahead and call them. I'm going to call them to show you how this works. Now that someone has joined our video chat here, we could add other people by pressing the plus sign, and then we could go ahead and mute ourselves here or turn off camera or share our screen. But the main thing about this app is the ability to play games with other people. So if you press the dice option here, you have all these different types of games you could choose from. Chips and Guac actually requires 3 people minimum, so I can't do that with 2. But if I press this and I do trivia, for example, I have all these different options to choose from to play trivia based on these categories. So if I choose sports trivia, for example, I could go ahead and press let's play here, and then we could go ahead and answer these questions based on this timer. So if I answer and then they answer, you could see who gets it right or wrong. So let me X out of this conversation, see you. And let me show you how face mail works. If I press the 3 dots and do record face mail, I could go ahead and press record right here and leave my message. This is my message for someone else. When I let go, it's going to let me send that message to people on my contact or my friends. If I just press send and press done, now they got that face mail. So it's just a video voicemail really for someone. And you'll get a message up top that says they're reading your face mail when they read it. And that's everything about this app that you need to know. I'm going to give Houseparty a 5 out of 5 on my review. What I really found useful in the app was the ability to play games with all the people that you invite to the app. And it made it so easy to invite people from anywhere, from Facebook, from Snapchat, from your contact list. It was really straightforward how to do that. I wish it didn't have two options on top, the plus sign and the smiley face to add friends. I feel like it was almost the same option there twice. But other than that, I found the app very enjoyable. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. I post these type of app of the day videos multiple times a week, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.